to everybody, to our special guest here. Welcome to the Guam Legislature. We're here today, ladies and gentlemen, to recognize the Shriners Hospital for Children for the service that they provide to our island community, to especially our most vulnerable, our children of our community. We have like to recognize Mr. Brown, who is the secretary of the Shriners Club of Guam. Is that correct? And we also have Margarita, who is the the Administrator, Bureau of Family Health from Department of Public Health and Social Services. We have Audrey, and we have all the other members from Shriners Hospital for Children. But of course, I want to recognize as well my colleagues, Senator Tina Muñoz Barnes, who's our Legislative Secretary, Senators Frank Blas Jr., Vice Chairman of the Committee on Health, Senator Tony Ada, and Senator Tommy Morrison. Thank you very much for being here. Before we present this resolution, I just want to speak about the work and the service that you provide to our community. I know that since the 50s, right, 1950s, I wasn't born yet at that time. So it's an honor. It's an honor for me to be able to recognize you here today. That I know twice a year you come and visit our island and visit our children, those who are who need specialized services. And I want to thank you for that. I'm a father of young children myself, and so I know how it is. I can experience how families, what they go through when their kids need this specialized care. And so this resolution is relative to recognizing and commending the Shriners Hospitals for Children for its commitment to serve Guam's children and families while fulfilling its mission to provide the highest quality care to children, and to further extending an undongkalu nasitus maasi, which is thank you very much to the Shriners Hospital for Children for its service to our island's most vulnerable children, youth, and families, and to the people of Guam. Before I ask our Legislative Secretary to present this, maybe I can ask Mr. Brown to just share with us a little bit about their involvement with you and your visits to Guam. Okay, this presentation is being broadcast live on our legislative channel, so we do have our listening audience.
Okay, thank you very much, Senator. One of the main thing that we do as Shriners here on Guam is we raise funds to cover the cost of transportation. The Shrine hospitals are completely free for the kids. Parents, kids don't get charged anything when they go out the door. But the cost of getting there and back, the airline ticket, is not free. And so what we do is we raise funds here to make it free for the kids to get there and back. At this time, I'd like to thank START and all the various golf clubs around the island and other sports groups, Rotaract, that put on a 5K run last spring, for helping us to raise the money to do this. We also, at Half a Day Bingo at the Greyhound track, we have a bingo game going that's benefiting the Children's Transportation Fund. And so this is how we raise the money to do it. And I'd like to thank everybody here on Guam who has participated and donated and everything for that. Also, of course, want to recognize the medical staff that's come from Honolulu. They come here twice a year, usually January, July, and look at kids. And then those that can be helped with surgery or some other procedure that needs to be done in Honolulu, we get them the tickets to get there and back. Thank you very much.
Great, thank you very much. And maybe we can ask Dr. Ono and Dr. Haynes, right? If you can please come forward. I'll have our Legislative Secretary present this. But before she does, once again, I want to just express the people of Guam's heartfelt appreciation for what you have done, what you do for our children on Guam. And we look forward to continue supporting your mission here. We'll work very closely with Margarita and her people to ensure that whatever support is needed, that we're there behind you. Okay, so thank you very much.
Masi, Senator Rodriguez again. On behalf of the 33rd Guam Legislature and our people of Guam, our warmest hafa and our own Dunklu Masi for all the work you do for our children of Guam. But more importantly, the collaboration that you work with our government, with our stakeholders and our community. So we wish you the biggest on Dunklu Masi for all that you do to make a difference for our children here. So here you go. Yep.
Thank you all very much for this. Thank you all very much for this, and it's an honor and a privilege to be able to come out here to Guam to take care of the children. And we, as part of the Shriners Hospitals for Children, we could not do this without the support of the community. We could not do this without the full support of the Guam Public Health and folks like Margarita. We could not do this without the support of the Shrine Club and Mr. Richard Brown. And I feel, we've been coming out here for a very long time, and we feel part of the community since the 50s. So we feel like we're actually part of Guam and residents of Guam. And so coming here has always been, in some way, coming home in order to take care of your children. So thank you very much.